Connect the Quick Connect plugs located on the light to their respective plugs hanging from the ceiling. As one installer raises the light, the second should guide the wires through the hole to avoid any obstruction. Raise the light so that the brackets slide through the hole in the ceiling, then rotate it into position with the dimmer switch facing the right side of the booth. Check if the light is level. If leveling is required, place a piece of cardboard under the bracket which needs to be raised. Place screws on two of the brackets to fix the light into position.